Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, read, I am reading Gita. Second line, learn, I learning, I learn my lesson. Third line, teach, they do not teach Hindi. Fourth line, beat, the teacher does not beat the students. Fifth line, prepare, Radha does not prepare the tea. Sixth line, cook, they cook the food daily. Seventh line, punish, I punish him every day. Eighth line, help, they help the poor. They help the poor. Ninth line, earn, we earn money daily. Tenth line, drink, they did not drink alcohol. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.